Hi there! Incidents are a Jamf School feature that allows admins to document device-related issues and create a shared history that other admins can view. Let's go through a quick walkthrough on how to use incidents in Jamf School. To start, we first need to create incident types. So let's navigate to Organization, Settings, and then click Incident Types. Incident types are used to help categorize incidents in a device record. Here we can see that I already have one incident type for damaged devices, but let's add another. Click Add Incident Type. Enter a name. For this example, I'm entering Device Performance. Let's select Active to ensure this incident type is available to use, and then click Apply to create the new incident type. More incident types can be created to help keep incidents organized, but for now, let's move on. I was recently informed that one of our students accidentally dropped their iPad and it now has a broken screen. The device needs to be sent in for repair, so let's create an incident to document the status of the device. Navigate to Devices, Inventory. Click on the device name, and then click Incidents. Currently, this device has no incident history, so let's click Register Incident. First, the device status pop-up menu lets us keep or unassign the device from its current user. Because we've already given the student a new iPad to use, I'm selecting Unassign. It then gives us the opportunity to enter a reason this device is being unassigned from this user. Next, we have the option to select which incident type this should be assigned to. For this example, I'm selecting Damaged Device. If this device is under warranty, we can note that by selecting Warranty. Finally, confirm the date and add a quick description of the incident. If the incident doesn't require any further action, we can close it out right away by selecting Immediately Close this incident. But because we're sending this device in for repair, let's keep the incident open. After confirming everything is correct, click Register Incident. Registered incidents can be viewed in a device record, or by clicking Incidents in the sidebar. Let's review our newly created incident by clicking the reference number. In the incident record, we have the option to edit details of the incident or add an attachment, such as a photo of the damaged device. In the Timeline section, we can document additional details of the incident. For example, we could add a note saying that this device was sent out for repair. As the device continues its repair journey, more details can be added to the timeline to keep track of its status. When the incident is resolved, we can click Close Incident to add a date, description, and assign the device. When ready, click Close Incident to close out the incident. Thanks for watching.